Now let us study the combination of n identical capacitors. Now in the last videos we took three capacitors to understand the concept of parallel and series combination. Now here we will derive an expression for the combination of connecting n identical capacitors. So first let us say we have series combination. So if we have two capacitors C1 and C2 connected in series between two terminals of the battery A and B, then the C equivalent will be given by this expression. You can solve it by using the reciprocals, and the C equivalent will be given by this expression. Now if say C1 and C2 are equal, both are equal to C, then C equivalent will become equal to C square upon 2C. So we will get that C equivalent is equal to C by 2. So by using the same steps, if we say that we have n number of capacitors connected between two terminals A and B, each of them are identical. So each of them have capacitance C and there are n capacitors, then the equivalent capacitance of this circuit will be equal to C by n. So this is a very important relation. Now this means that all of these capacitors can be replaced by one capacitor which is equal to this value of the capacitor between terminals A and B. Now in this combination we studied in the previous video also that since the total potential of all the capacitors will be equal to the potential difference of the battery in the steady state combination, and since all the capacitors are equal, that means the potential difference of the battery will be equally divided between these capacitors. So that means we can write a note here that if n identical capacitors, now I'm underlining this is important for this concept, if n and identical capacitors are connected in series, then the potential difference V across each capacitor will be equal to V by n, because the total potential difference of the battery, which is V, is divided equally between all the capacitors. That means the potential difference across any one capacitor will be equal to V by n. So this is also an important thing. Both of these expressions are important and always keep it in your mind. Similarly, in parallel combination, if we have n identical capacitors connected like this, between two terminals A and B, they are all identical, so each will have same capacitance and they are n in number, 1 2 3 and up to n. Then by using the general formula, we can see that the equivalent capacitance will be equal to NC. So this will be the equivalent capacitance when n number of identical capacitors are connected in series in parallel with each other. Now if they are connected with a battery with a potential difference V, then we know that in each of the capacitors the potential difference will be same as the potential difference of the battery. So it does not matter whether the capacitors are same or identical or not identical. So we can write a note here that in parallel combination the potential difference across each capacitor will be equal to the potential difference of battery, and this case is always true. That is, even when capacitors are not identical. Keep this in mind. This is a very important concept. This condition is true even when the capacitors are not identical. Suppose they have different capacitances C1, C2 and so on.